What's up, automation pioneers? This is Mark from AI Automation Studio, where we don't just follow the AI revolution, we build it. Today, we're about to completely shatter everything you thought you knew about image generation and product photography. So buckle up and stick to the video right to the end so you don't miss anything important. I'm going to show you how a 2-week-old AI called NanoBanana is about to make traditional product photographers and Photoshop experts completely obsolete. And more importantly, how you can build a $10,000 per month business around this before everyone else catches on. Product photographers charging $200 to $1,000 per shoot. Meanwhile, Photoshop experts are demanding $100 to $300 per image edit. E-commerce businesses spending thousands monthly on visual content, and small businesses, they're either going broke trying to compete or settling for amateur iPhone photos that kill their conversion rates. But here's what nobody's talking about. 2 weeks ago, Google's NanoBanana released their image generation API. Here's what makes this absolutely terrifying for traditional photographers. NanoBanana doesn't just generate images. It understands physics. It understands lighting, material properties, camera angles, depth of field, all the technical expertise that took photographers years to master. Look at this. This professional product shoot cost a client $2,000. This NanoBanana image generated in 12 seconds for 30 cents. I'm not talking about close enough, I'm talking about indistinguishable quality. And this is just the beginning. But here's the beautiful part. Because I didn't just discover NanoBanana, I built the most advanced automation workflow on the planet around it. This isn't some simple type prompt, get image tool. This is a full RAG-powered AI orchestrated system that combines NanoBanana with OpenAI, Pinecone vector databases, and Google's Gemini models to create what I call the product photography terminator. This automation has 2 devastating modes. First one is called the edit mode. You upload any existing product image and our RAG system analyzes it against thousands of professional photography examples stored in our Pinecone vector database. It understands what makes images convert, what lighting sells products, what angles drive purchases. Then NanoBanana reconstructs that image with photorealistic perfection. And the second one is generate mode. You describe your product in plain English, and our AI agent, powered by GPT-5, transforms that into cinematically perfect prompts. It's like having a world-class art director, photographer, and Photoshop expert working 24/7 for pennies. Isn't this outstanding? Now you guys would be thinking, how can you cash it right? Well, I'm going to tell you the money-making techniques that are actually working. And this is how I've identified 3 different revenue streams that people are already using to build life-changing businesses. If you scroll towards the freelance product photography services, you'll see a traditional product photographers charge $500, $2,000 per shoot. With our automation, you can deliver the same quality in minutes for 50 cents in API costs. You can charge $200, $500 per product shoot, maintain 95% plus profit margins, and scale infinitely. I know freelancers already making $8,000, $15,000 monthly doing this exact thing. And if you want to go deeper and technical, deploy this workflow behind a simple front-end interface. Charge $29, monthly subscriptions. Your costs? Maybe $3 per customer in API fees. Look at competitors like Product AI. They're charging $149 per month. You could undercut them by 70% and still print money. And if you think you have a business mindset, marketing agencies are desperate for cost-effective visual content. Partner with 5 to 10 agencies, offer unlimited product photography for $1,000, $3,000 monthly retainers. They save 80% on photography costs, you build predictable recurring revenue. But here's the thing, I'm building something special. I'm talking about a private community of automation experts, AI entrepreneurs, and industry disruptors who are actually doing this stuff. Inside our Skool community, you'll get direct access to me for troubleshooting complex workflows, exclusive advanced tutorials that will never be public, real-time market intelligence on new AI tools and opportunities, partnership opportunities with other community members, case study, breakdowns from successful community members, direct feedback on your automation projects. Take action. Don't just watch. Build. The difference between dreamers and millionaires is execution. This workflow I just shared with you, it's not just a technical demonstration. It's my gift to the community that taught me everything I know. It's my way of pulling you up to where I am, so we can all rise together. But I can't want your success more than you do. I can give you the blueprint, the community, the support. But you have to take action. You have to bet on yourself. Subscribe, join the community, and let's build the future together. I'll see you inside, and I can't wait to celebrate your first automation success.